my dear students to P.N.AMERSEY e-learning classes. So dear children, today we shall continue with our activity number 9 from the chapter What a Wonderful World. So in this activity we are going to explore about the musical instrument, or you can say hydrollophone. When humans began to use objects to create music from sounds, musical instruments were born. Musical instruments are made in a broad range of styles and shapes using many different materials. Early musical instruments were made from materials like shells and plant parts. Here are two passages about differently working musical instruments. So this is a hydrollophone. You can play it without any training. Steve Mann, a professor at the University of Toronto, Canada, has created a unique musical instrument called the hydrollophone that uses water to produce sound. So hydro means water and olus means pipes and phone here means sound. So it is said to be hydrollophone. And that's how we get the hydrollophone. Sound created by water running through the pipes. A hydrollophone is played by direct physical contact with water, sometimes other liquids also, where sound is created hydraulically. Sound is produced by some hydraulic fluid in contact with the player's fingers. If someone is not playing a hydrollophone, it will simply look like a water fountain. Water is blown into the pipes and it jets out of them like a fountain. When the fingers of the player block the water at the different position, it creates the sounds. When this is done in a unique pattern, music is created. So hydrollophones are also used for helping people with low vision explore about sensing objects around them. So in this activity, we have discussed about hydrollophones, and for playing this instrument we need water and pipes. So in this new words are, what does hydraulic mean? Use your knowledge, a dictionary or the context of the passage to understand meaning of the word. Children, we have discussed about hydrollophone. Next we are going to learn about what is pyrophones. A hydrollophone uses water to create music, but a pyrophone uses fire to make music. It is a dangerous opposite of the hydrollophone. Pyro means fire and phone means sound in Greek. Hence, a pyrophone creates sound using the fire. Many pyrophones run using the same kind of mechanism as a scooter. In fact, many use the same fuel also. It uses explosions to create music, hence it is also known as fire explosion organ. So pyrophone is known to be fire explosion organ. Pyrophones were used in the 18th and 19th century also. In fact, this is a picture of a pyrophone from an 1875 science handbook. You can see here, picture is given here. It was made by a person called Kastner. So children, in this activity we have discussed about hydrollophone and pyrophone. So children, these two instruments both are opposite to each other. Next children, we are going to see the new words. Mechanism, that is known to be system. Did you find any other new words? Write them here so you can remember them. So children, that was activity number 9 related to musical instruments. Now next, moving on to activity number 10. We read about how we got the names hydrollophone and pyrophone. The names tell more about what the musical instruments do. Hydro, olo, pyro have come from the Greek language. We use such prefixes to make new words. For example, hydro, electricity, is electricity created using water. So here are some more prefixes and what they mean. So a table is given here and prefixes are given there. Geo, earth. Aero, air. Ethno, that is known to be people, culture. Electro, electricity. Photo, light. Spatio, space. Atmo, vapor. Syro, that is ice. Aqua, water. Biblo, books. Chrono, time. Floro, flowers. Words like geography, aquatic, chronology use some of these prefixes. You can invent a word right now. Pick one prefix and add it in front of a word you know. Be creative by inventing the meaning of a new word. So my word is the word you have to write in the blanks. My word is made up of prefix, the answer, and the what is the word that you write here. Write 2 sentences that show what your invented word means. Make sure that your classmates will be able to understand the meaning of your word from your sentences. Share your sentences. Can your classmates guess the meaning of your word from your sentences? If not, revise to make your meaning clearer. So children, this is activity number 10, which is related to prefixes. So the homework what you have to do is you have to do this activity by yourself. Hope you like this video, children. Thank you. Stay home. Stay safe.